I'm going to be doing a review of my monthly subscription to #NeedASnack Ratchet Box. This is a company that makes you a personalized snack box with a variety of snacks from every state in the United States, which is pretty awesome. The monthly subscription is like only $14.95, so it's very affordable. And I know for a fact that I spend way more than $14.95 a month on snacks. I am so excited to open this box. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I can't wait to open it! Okay, this is the first thing. Hello, Basic Brittany. We have personalized this snack box according to the results of your survey. We even included a doggy t-shirt for Odie. Enjoy your snack box from Camden, New Jersey. Where the hell is that? Sincerely, #NeedASnack Ratchet Box. Wow. This is so adorable. He seriously looks so adorable. Okay, so here's the first item in the box. It comes with a card and it says, wash your snacks down with this homemade Kool-Aid. Oh wow, I've never had homemade Kool-Aid before, but I'm definitely gonna try it. Oh, that's really good. The next thing in the box looks like cookies. Yeah, they're cookies. And it says, these cookies will literally make you cream in your pants. Oh, good. One by some. Good. Alright, I'm ready for the next one. Snacks are good for after sex. Enjoy these complimentary condoms from President Donald Trump, who defunded Planned Parenthood. Thank you, Donald Trump! Free condoms! Free condoms! What the hell? This is like already open. Sorry these are open. They're just so effing delicious. Anton? What the hell, Anton? Delicious deals, Swiss rolls. We're gonna try this, Odie. You probably can't have this because it's chocolate. Oh. Oh, that's really sweet. Oh shit. Snacks are great for the munchies, but make sure you don't lose your day job, you lazy ass pothead. How the hell did they know? Oh cool, there's another little condom. Yay! Something wrapped in foil. Let me open it. Oh my god! What the hell? These hot dogs are too damn good. Couldn't help myself. Anton. Jesus, Anton! Again? What the hell, Anton? It's like some sort of little toy. If people gonna try and steal your snacks, pop a cap in their ass. Don't be trying to steal my snacks. I'll pop a cap in your ass. This didn't even come with a card on it. It's, oh my god, it's like open. Probably frickin' Anton again. Oh my god, my mouth is numb. Ugh. Woo! Oh, some double mint gum. Your breath is gonna stink after your fat ass eats all these snacks. Eating these snacks, gonna get fat from eating these snacks. Oh God. overall, I really enjoyed my hashtag Need a Snack Ratchet Box from Camden, New Jersey. Odie, did you like it too? I'm pretty sure Odie liked it too. My favorite thing in the box was the homemade Kool-Aid because it tasted very authentic. I found it pretty delicious, and I also was happy to get the free condoms. Okay, everybody, Basic Brittany and Odie are out. Thanks for watching my review of the hashtag